All right. So yeah, hi guys. Today is June 5th, and update for today is I did 2 sessions of varc 1000 today. Apart from that, I did 3 sessions of lrdi, di specifically, mixed arrangements in di. Yeah, I will be doing it again right now after posting this video. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. No cons as of today. We will do it tomorrow. I will share my new schedule to you guys in the coming videos, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you tomorrow in the next video. Bye bye.